Hi, this is Eric the Parts Doctor, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the inlet hose assembly on your Samsung dishwasher. If you need to purchase a new inlet hose assembly for your Samsung dishwasher, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. The inlet hose assembly is responsible for moving water from the inlet valve to the case brake. If it is damaged or broken, water may leak and damage the surrounding cabinets or flooring. To complete this repair, you'll need an Odoker crimper. Note that in order to remove the inlet hose assembly, you'll need to break the Odoker clamps holding the inlet hose in place. The new hose includes one new clamp, but you will need to order a second clamp to complete this repair. We'll leave a link in the description below to where we got ours. First, disconnect power to the dishwasher. If your dishwasher has a power cord, unplug the dishwasher. If your dishwasher is hardwired, you'll need to turn off power at the breaker before disconnecting the wires in the terminal box, which is located underneath the dishwasher. Next, disconnect the drain hose from the sink plumbing or garbage disposal. Then, feed the drain hose and power cord through the holes in your cabinet as far as they'll go. Next, turn off the water shutoff valve for the water supply line. Next, open the dishwasher's door and remove the screws securing the dishwasher to the countertop. If your dishwasher is side-mounted, remove the screws from the cabinet, which may be located behind the cabinet seal or behind the plastic cap on the side of the dishwasher. You may need to lower the dishwasher's front leveling legs if it is too tight against the countertop. Now slide the dishwasher out from underneath the countertop, being sure to carefully feed both the power cord and drain hose through the holes in the cabinet. If your water line does not have enough slack in it to pull the dishwasher out, disconnect the water line from the house's plumbing and pull out the dishwasher. Or, if you're able to access the back of the dishwasher, use an adjustable wrench to disconnect the water inlet line from the dishwasher. Carefully flip the dishwasher onto its back on a soft surface to avoid scratching or damaging it. The base cover is located here on the bottom of the dishwasher. Using a Phillips headed screwdriver, remove the screw holding the base cover. Then, depress the four locking tabs located here on the base cover to remove it. Carefully pull the cover away from the dishwasher as it is still connected by an electrical connector. Next, gently but firmly pull on the wire to disconnect the leakage sensor microswitch. The inlet hose is located here. Then, using a pair of Odoker crimpers, break the clamp on the hose near the inlet valve. Now, bend the clamp to remove. Make sure that you have a towel nearby, as water may spill from the hose. Next, using a flat-headed screwdriver, remove the hose from the water inlet valve. Next, break the clamp off the hose on the case brake. Then, pull the hose off the case brake and out of the dishwasher. If you need to purchase a new inlet hose assembly, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you are searching with the model number from the tag on the dishwasher to make sure you are getting the correct part. For Samsung appliances, use the longer version of the model number listed on the tag, followed by a dash and then the version number if one is listed. For example, this dishwasher's full model number ends with a /AA-00. To install, align the Odoker clamp to the inlet hose near the case brake and slide one on. Then, press the inlet hose onto the case brake and crimp the clamp. Next, insert the hose to the frame of the dishwasher and install the other Odoker clamp onto the hose. Then, press the inlet hose onto the water inlet valve and crimp the clamp to secure the hose. Then, reconnect the electrical connector. To install, align the base cover to the frame of the dishwasher and press into place. Then, install the screw holding the cover to the frame. To reinstall, begin by installing the water inlet line to the back of the dishwasher. Or, if you have to disconnect the water inlet line from the house's plumbing, feed the water line through the bottom hole in the cabinet and reconnect it to the plumbing. With the dishwasher near the cabinet, feed the drain hose through the holes located towards the top of the cabinet and feed the power cord through the lower hole. Now push the dishwasher back a few inches underneath the countertop and continue feeding the drain hose and power cord through the cabinet. Repeat until the dishwasher is in place. With the dishwasher's door open, align the holes in the mounting brackets with the pre-existing screw holes on the underside of the countertop or the screw holes in the cabinet if using the side mounting option. You may need to extend the dishwasher's front leveling legs to ensure a tight fit against the countertop. Then, reinstall the two mounting bracket screws. Reconnect the drain tube to the sink, plumbing, or garbage disposal. Now, plug in your dishwasher. If your dishwasher is hardwired, you'll need to reconnect the wires in the terminal box and restore power by flipping the breaker. And last, turn on the water valve. Finally, test the dishwasher and check for any leaks. That's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.